Pneumatic tube systems have been in use for over 100 years. The aim has always been efficiency, to save time in not having people hand carry items from one part of the building to the next. In the last 6 months, Covid-19 has had a profound effect on all industries in Ireland and across the world. When you look at APT's pneumatic tube systems in the different types of facilities, we see that it's had quite a substantial benefit and more than just efficiency. In retail, for example, our SafeLink system is used to send the cash from the tills directly into the safe. Cash is placed in the pod and sent through the tube. Now, without the SafeLink system, someone has to collect the cash from the tills, but then walk through the store to deposit the cash into the safe. This increases the potential for close contacts with staff or customers, and also increases the number of touch points a person might use: door handles, access control keypads, and the safe itself. So using a SafeLink cash tube system can reduce these risks and maybe help stop the spread. In hospital and healthcare settings, Aerocom tube systems have proved vital in supporting our frontline staff. Imagine going into a ward to collect patient samples. You may have to don PPE, gown, gloves, mask, and you'd have to dispose of these items afterwards. You then might have to go into another area and another, each time applying new PPE and disposing of them. With the Aerocom system, the samples are loaded into the canister. The carrier is then placed directly into the station and is delivered either to the lab or the pharmacy as required. So again, this reduces the potential for close contacts and reduces touch points as you walk through the hospital, and helps prevent cross-contamination, as well as being efficient. As part of our planned preventive maintenance programme, we've always offered cleaning of the tube system, and in recent months, staff have ensured that they decontaminate carriers regularly as they send and receive them. Our Aerocom systems are also used in food and pharmaceutical production. Current users of the AC3000 include Tipperary Co-op, Kerry Foods, Novartis and PepsiCo. They use a system to send product samples from the production line directly into the lab. And the airplane manufacturer Airbus uses the Aerocom AC3000 to distribute prepared sealant out to the different parts of the wing production line. They've always had the benefit of efficiency, but in current times, again, the use of the tube system reduces the potential for close contacts within the company and reduces contact with frequent touch points. Other applications for our Aerocom systems include phone stores to send phones to and from the service department, opticians to send frames or lenses from the shop floor to the lab and back, and in car showrooms and service centres where they'd use it to send keys and paperwork between the different departments. When the Aerocom systems were installed here, it was for the purpose of saving time and people walking to and fro. Now we see that it can help a company implement important health and safety protocols. We've also seen an increase in the use of systems at weighbridges, be that at quarries or mills. Before the tube systems, the driver would have to leave the cab and come into the weighbridge office to sign the docket. Now the carrier and the docket can be sent to a cabinet station at the driver's window. They can remove the carrier and the docket, sign it, and return the copy to the office without leaving the cab. The primary benefit at the weighbridge has always been health and safety, so drivers didn't need to exit the cab, cross the weighbridge or traffic lanes, but now we see the added benefit of reducing the number of close contacts of coming into a business premises and reducing the touch points, and again helping to stop the spread of Covid-19. For any information on our SafeLink and Aerocom pneumatic tube systems, you can contact us on 01 8413 005 or at aerocom.ie. Thank you.